Day in the life of future exotic car owner. Man, look at that. That's already low. We out here. We going not mind that. Get to where we gotta go. Actually, should I pump that? You know what? I'm ready to pump that up a little bit right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna ride on that bit low. We gotta get to this job. We up early grinding, trying to get to it. Lesson learned for me. Don't get used tires. Don't buy used tires, because things be happening. And yeah, gotta get the day started. It's already running a little late. Hustling right now. Gotta get to work. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get to work early. Gotta order the ship out. And now we gotta fill up that tire. I'm gonna have to go back to that shop, I'm not gonna lie, and like get that addressed, but we don't even have time right now. Keep this with y'all. Y'all don't know. A little tire thing gonna save you. Let's go. Let's get this right. Man, that's crazy. Luckily I got that. But you know what I'm saying? It be like that sometimes, bro. I already went up to that tire shop like 2-3 times already. And just after I got the repair, now I gotta go back up there like, hey, can y'all like maybe swap it out for the tire don't leak? But yeah, it's all good, bro. You just gotta grind, do what you gotta do, man. Learn from me, learn these lessons. Get new tires, but they don't even be that expensive sometimes. Try to save $20, $30, and it cost me like all these trips back and forth. It is what it is. I just gotta get to work. I'm already running a little late. What keeps me motivated is waking up. You open up your bank app. Did that bit ever say 0? Yeah, I woke up. I'm like, how is it -20? Like, what does it say negative? How did it get to negative? Like I didn't even. You feel me? Like, I didn't buy nothing. I never like go from. You feel me? I'm just like, what? It just be like that sometimes. You waking up, it's like trash by your car. You're like, yeah, I need to just evolve and get somewhere else, but I can't even. I want to get out of here. It's going up now. It's going up. I'm gonna see y'all once just to get a little bit more filled. Should be good, man. I realize you always gonna have problems, no matter where you at. About how you deal with them, about how you handle them. Just gotta take it one day at a time, bro. One day at a time. It's gonna slowly start putting everything together. Man, now I gotta go to that tire shop. I'm gonna do that after work. It's like my first day at this new place, starting off, and I'm already finna be late. It is what it is. I ain't really at control of the tire thing. I gotta leave out early, I guess. Let's slide. Car warmed up. Let's head out. Let's get it. It's cold than a brick. Close that up. Put a little heat on. Man, this is a regular day in the life, bro. I did not expect that. Let's slide out. Now, what else we got on our plate? After this first job, we got another job to go to after, cause gotta work too. Really want to get it. Gotta do more than the regular. Second job to go to after this. Ship a package out, as well as get the tire dressed. So it keeps me motivated, bro. Just trying to get everything right, you know. Yes, sir. Yeah, just be grateful. Take it one day at a time. Use it as part of your, like, remember these hard days and hard times. You know what I'm saying? Just so you can keep going. When things get easier, you remember it was way harder. Like, I'm thinking, like, all right, this ain't that bad. I remember I was waking up having to take the bus. It took 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? It was cold. This, hey, what it is. Hey, swerve. Let's get up out of here. And I definitely like the job I'm doing right now. It's just something for right now. I'm about to be at like a warehouse, I don't even know what I'm about to do, but you know, it is what it is. Gets me paid. Gets me closer towards the dream, the goal, all that. Yes, yes. Merge onto this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Get up in there, yeah. Okay. So right now the car is riding, it's pretty decent. All I got is a muffler delete, tint, and black rims. But that's obviously 30 horsepower right there. So we are not stock. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do a couple mods on there. Air freshener that adds plus 5 points for the interior with the seat covers, because our seats were kind of ripping up and all that. Just going coast, sit back. We ain't in a rush, you know. We gotta get there, but it's like no point in really rushing too crazy. Had work at 7. We said we're gonna be there at 7:15. I mean, like, even it's not much I can do about that, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not much I can really do. I took a picture of the tire thing, so I maybe could show them that. I really took a picture just for the tire shop, just so they could see what I had to do, but hopefully they address that. Hopefully I get to go into work, you know. I really want to I'm motivated by the fact that I want to get to a point where I don't have to, like, rely on other things to say I'm good. Like, I could just rely on myself to be straight. I'm like, all right, tire low, boom, I can get a new tire. I don't even got to deal with that shop no more. But hey, we ain't set up like that right now to just go ahead and buy a new tire. Gotta get 2 new tires, gotta get an alignment, gotta get some struts. There's a few parts, few mods. So when I drive right now, I'm only driving to the back. You feel me? I ain't driving and doing no free willy-nilly fun stuff yet. I'm just driving to get that paper. Maybe get some food. But yeah. Might just go cruise control. We ain't even really pressed to get there right now. Just sit back, vibe. No need to rush, fight traffic and all that, swerving, switching lanes. Just get there, you feel me? You're only gonna save like a couple seconds, maybe a couple minutes. Like, chilling. Let everybody get in front. You're not even minding them. You got a whole mission you're on. Yeah, pretty much day in the life. See y'all. What's up if you're new? Here to inspire, man. Just know that them hard times don't always last. Just keep grinding.